Hello, friends. It's breakfast time. Let's eat, drink, and learn together. Yummy, yummy, let's go. I sit at the table. I sit at the table. I sit at the table. I sit down for breakfast. Can you sit at the table with me? Scoot, scoot. Are you ready to eat? Show me your happy breakfast face. Great sitting. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast in the morning. Can you eat breakfast with me? Yummy, yummy. What do you like for breakfast? Take a big bite with me. Awesome eating. I drink milk. I drink milk. I drink cold milk. Can you take a sip with me? Sip, sip, sip. I drink milk. Is your milk cold or warm? Show me your drinking cup. Good drinking. I drink water. I drink water. I drink water every day. Can you drink some water? Gluk, gluk. I drink water. Water helps our bodies grow strong. Can you take one more sip? Awesome eating. I use my spoon. I use my spoon. I use my spoon to eat. Can you scoop with me? Scoop, scoop. I use my spoon. Careful, don't spill. Can you scoop a big spoonful? Great scooping! I use my fork. I use my fork. I use my fork at the table. Can you use your fork? Poke, poke. I use my fork. Can you pick up the food carefully? You're doing so well. Good job. I take a bite. I take a bite. I take a little bite. Can you take a bite with me? Chomp, chomp. I take a bite. Is your food yummy? Take another tiny bite. Yummy eating. I chew my food. I chew my food. I chew slowly and carefully. Can you chew with me? Chew, chew, chew. I chew my food. Munch, munch. Can you chew nice and slowly? Awesome chewing. I eat fruit. I eat fruit. I eat healthy fruit. Can you find the fruit? Crunch, crunch. I eat fruit. What is your favorite fruit? Sweet and juicy. Great eating. I eat vegetables. I eat vegetables. I eat colorful vegetables. Can you try vegetable? Munch, munch. I eat vegetables. What color is your vegetable? Crunchy and healthy. You're doing great. I peel a banana. I I peel a banana. I peel the yellow banana. Can you peel it with me? Peel, peel. I peel a banana. What color is the banana? Ready for a yummy bite? Great peeling! I spread butter. I spread butter. I spread butter on my toast. Can you spread with me? Swipe, swipe. I spread butter. Smooth and creamy. Can you spread it carefully? Meets a yolk. I pour my drink. I pour my drink. I pour juice into my cup. Can you pour slowly with me? I pour my drink. Whew! Careful. Don't spill. Is your cup full now? Awesome pouring. I wipe the table. I wipe the table. I clean the messy table. Can you wipe with me? Wipe, wipe, wipe. I wipe the table. Look at the crumbs. Now the table is clean. Great helping. I clean my plate. I clean my plate. I eat all my food. Can you show me your clean plate? I clean my plate. Almost finished. All clean. Great eating. I try new food. I try new food. I try one little bite. Can you try it with me? Nibble, nibble. I try new food. Is it sweet or crunchy? Trying new food is fun. Good trying. I say yummy. I say yummy.
Yummy!
I say yummy. This food tastes yummy. Can you say yummy? I say yummy. Yummy, yummy. Rub your tummy. Do you like the food? Awesome. I ask for more. I ask for more. I would like some more food. Can you ask nicely? More. Please. I ask for more. Are you still hungry? Good asking. Great manners. I say please. I say please. I say please. Please is a kind word. Can you say please? Please. I say please. Kind words make people happy. You sound so polite. Great job. I say thank you. I say thank you. Thank you for the yummy food. Can you say thank you? Thank you. I say thank you. That is very kind. Good manners are important. Wonderful job. We finished our breakfast time routine. Tummy's full and ready for the day. Bye-bye. Great job today. Tap the link below to get your free printable kit. Download. Print and keep the learning going.